Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video friends, felt fabric crafts idea, easy dye purchase. Today I will show you some fun felt fabric crafts ideas. Felt is a soft, colorful and easy. You can make beautiful things with just scissors and glue. Let's start felt flower. First we will make felt flowers. Take colorful felt sheets, cut small pastel shape and glue them together. Add a green felt stem and your flower is ready. You can use it for decoration or gifts. Felt keychains. Next we will make cute felt keychains. Cut small shapes like hearts, star or animals. Swing or glue them together and add a key ring. Now you have a fun keychains for your bags or keys. Felt bookmark. Third idea is a felt bookmark. Cut long rectangle from felt, decorate with small shapes or designs. Now you have a beautiful bookmark for reading your favorite book. Felt coaster. Fourth idea is a felt coaster. Cut round or square piece from felt to decorate with cut patterns using small pieces of felt. It's easy, colorful and useful for home. Felt soft toy. Large size levers. Felt soft toys. Cut small shapes of our body parts, string them together and stuff with cartons. You can make animals, dolls or fun gestures for kids and a lovely handmade gifts. These were some easy felt fabric crafts ideas. Try at home and make colorful things with felt and weavers. Felt flower. We will make felt flower. Cut pastel shapes from colorful felt, glue them together and add a green stem. Use them for home decoration or gifts. They look so pretty. Felt keychain. Next we will make cute felt keychains. Cut small shapes like heart, star or animals, wing and glue them and add a key ring. Now you have a fun keychains for your bag or key. Felt bookmark. Third idea is felt bookmark. Cut long rectangle from felt, decorate with small shapes or patterns. Now you have a beautiful bookmark for reading your favorite book. Felt coaster. Fourth idea is felt coaster. Cut round or square piece from felt, decorate with patterns or small pieces of felt. They are easy to make and very useful at home. Felt soft toys. Now we will make felt soft toys. Cut shapes for body parts, swing them together and stuff with cotton. You can make animals, dolls. These are perfect gifts for kids. Felt wallet. Six ideas. Felt wallet. They can make for frame. Cute felt shapes like cut felt shapes like flower or make letters and glue them. It's make your room colorful and fun. Felt hair clips. Seventh idea is felt hair clips. Cut small flower or star and glue them to a clip. Now you have cut hair sarees for school or parties. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.